Good morning. Yeah, time to hit the road again. I haven't been on the road for more than 2 months. I've just had eye surgery and all good and good to go again. So going up towards the Berg and staying there for a week or two or three. We'll see what happens. Enjoy. Chat later. Just arrived at Drake Garden Caravan Park. And yeah, what a pleasure that I can see the road and the road signs. First time doing a long trip since my eye op, and yeah, just a pleasure seeing so much better and can see the instruments and look at the road. No glasses needed, but I'm here, and the road is pretty rough from the freeway to Underberg. Huge potholes. Again, you've just got to be careful, just slow down. The road from Underberg, one or two rough patches. Had a safe trip here. Nobody at the caravan park at the moment. The moment weather is lekker, the wind's been blowing on and off, but looks good, right next to the river. And I'll do a walk around just now. River very low at the moment, but according to weather forecast, it's going to be thunder showers tomorrow, Tuesday and Wednesday, so the water level might rise then. Good morning. Monday morning. Definitely a nip in the air from yesterday afternoon, 35 degrees. But at the moment, clear skies and peaceful and quiet. I haven't heard anybody, I haven't heard any cars going past, but yeah, it's still pretty early. I haven't seen any baboons down here yet, but on my hike, I saw lots of them up in the mountain, and I believe they can be a real problem. And then the hail came. Good morning. Tuesday morning. A little bit of a break in the clouds, but it was pretty misty this morning, and had a bit of rain last night. The hail lasted for about an hour. This rubbish I collected in about 20 meters, 30 meters distance in the river. Why can't people just keep their rubbish to themselves? Hey, I can see the rain's coming, and there's been lots of lightning, some thunder, but lots of lightning up that area. So, don't know how long it's going to take to get here, some rumbling going on. Yeah, the problem is when there's big storms, there's no internet. I spoke to somebody here and they say MTN and Vodacom is about the best, but Cell C Telkom is down most of the time, and MTN and Vodacom has been off since this morning. So with the storms here, not good for reception. Good morning, Wednesday morning, bright and sunny morning. Nothing came with all the thunder and lightning from last night. A couple of drops of rain and that was it. No big storm. But bright and sunny this morning. Good morning, Thursday morning. Peaceful and quiet. Thursday morning walk. Crystal clear water. Good morning, Friday morning. First morning that it's above 10 degrees. Not much cloud in the sky. No rain last night.
Good morning, guys. Saturday morning at the Drakensberg Garden Golf and Spa Resort. Yes, it had continued snowing overnight, and obviously the depth of the snow level has absolutely increased. As you could see, the height of them. Power is down. Eskom is finding difficulty of